All right, everybody, good morning and welcome back to the KSR YouTube channel. We are still at the Freedom Factory. There's boatloads of people here. Merch tent set up. Getting ready to take this thing out and do some burnouts. Hopefully just one big burnout. And get the tires actually off of this thing. This thing makes all of 215 wheel horsepower without the nitrous. I've never dynoed it with the nitrous. We're gonna try and do a burnout and pop the tires on it. It's the same tires I had on it for the last burnout that I didn't finish off. They've still got tread on them, so hopefully we can finish them off a little faster than last time. These are actually Crown Vic wheels and tires. They came on one of the cop cars. So old Cleetus gave them to me at the last burnout thing where we hurt the motor. This time, let's see if we can go do a little better. And Drew's race buggy's here. We're gonna do something with it. We don't know what yet. Apparently they don't have the jet truck going, but we're gonna do something. Stay tuned. Alright, so I just noticed one leftover from the last burnout. The oil temperature gauge is broken, pinned to the back side of the peg. So you guys can see that was 280. Brought it all the way around. What's that? Probably 300 if we take the distance from there to there. That's probably a good 320 degrees on oil temp. And now it's stuck there. Water temp's doing all right. My electric fan and water pump seems to be working well when we turn that on. But let's go ahead and go back around the back of the track. We did have to speed the show up today because of rain that's coming. Cleetus decided to run everybody through, try and get the event in before all the rain gets here. Hopefully we can make that happen. While you're here on the channel, please give us a subscribe, click the like button, and maybe a comment down in the bottom. You know, we'll try and get down there and respond to you the best we can. And if you want any KSR merch, www.winwithksr.com. And also, I know I got to get my ads in here at some point. I'm not going to flood you with them like other people do. A little quick thing. If you need any welding stuff, HTP Welders, which is usaweld.com, you can enter the discount code WinWithKSR and get a discount on your order. Helps you guys out that are working on some projects at your own shop. You know, they've got everything from welders all the way down to consumables and filler rods. You can use all kinds of stuff. So we're gonna get around to the track. Sounds like they're about to get started with the open, and then we're gonna head around and be in Burnout Rivals. I think we popped both tires. I haven't even gotten out of the car yet. But water temp is a little on the excessive side. I see it leaking, but I'm not gonna shut it off this time. I'm gonna let it try and cool off with the fan here at idle. Maybe that'll keep from warping the head, or maybe we'll hurt another cylinder head and I've got to do something different. So I think I got both tires that time. Took longer than I was expecting still, even with the hurt tires. But I guess I'll get out and see what everything looks like. All right, well, it looks like we got that tire off for sure. This one, when I felt it pop, only was just throwing the tread off of it. So we still didn't quite blow it. But good news is it's cooling down. I say cooling down. We're down to 230. I think it's okay this time though, I think. Cross my fingers. So, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Unless we win, which, yeah, I don't think we probably won with that, but I think it was a pretty good burnout. Steering wheel out the window, having a good time. But I appreciate everybody watching and subscribing. See you guys next time. But to show you guys how close it was to getting both tires off of it, driving it back around the track, pop the other tire. I was coming around and it kind of slid a little bit and said, phew. Silly cars. And our temperature is down to about 195. Hopefully it still has all the compression in it. It sounds normal now. Guess we'll find out in a little bit. All right, also, probably put it in this video, we got vice grip garage that still has the KSR 496 in it. Hopefully it does all right, because then we've got to put his 540 in next week at the shop. Looks like it might have got a little warm, but it'll be all right.